Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how you could add various parameters in a drop down in a block in AutoCAD like this. You would get a drop down over here. After clicking you can change the engineer names here over here, like I have set the engineer names 1 2 3 like this, and it is a random names like this. Without exploding the block you can add these parameters into the block. In this video I am going to show how you could add these parameters in the block. So let's see. I am doing this in a layout page. First, after creating the layout or the title, we need to convert it into a block. Then open that block in a block editor. In the block editor, we need to insert the various parameters, but before that we are going to add all these engineer names in the DWG properties, so that whenever you are changing the names, engineer names in the DWG, in the properties of the DWG drawing file, this should be changed automatically inside this layout page. So first I am inserting the command DWG props. Here you need to go to the custom tab. Over here you need to add the required properties and its value. Likewise, engineer name you can add date or any other parameters, company name or client name or anything, any scale bar also. Here I am adding the engineer name 1, that is a random value over here. Similarly, I am adding another 2, engineer name 1 and engineer name 2. Similarly, adding another one, that is engineering name 2 and its value. It's a random name. Click on OK. Then click on OK, then close. Now here I am adding this text as into the attribute value. So I am entering the command attdef. Over here I am adding the tag which would be appear in the block, and over here in the field I am selecting the properties that I have entered right now. Click on the constant over here, then click on this position where it would be appear. Its text size also you can change over here, then click on OK. This is our attribute. Similarly, I am adding another 2 attributes for the engineer name 1 and engineer name 2. Click on OK. After adding all these engineering names, we are going to insert a visibility parameter, so that after selecting one engineer name, the other 2 would be invisible in this block. Let's take it over here. Now I am going to add the visibility parameter. Here you can add a visibility bottom over here, and then go to block editor, go to visibility states, and insert the visible states for all these three parameters. So I am adding the visibility state name as engineer 1, engineer 1, engineer name, then click on OK. Similarly, adding another two visibility parameters, one for engineering name 2 and engineering name 3. We can put the same name twice, so that's why I am putting engineering name 1 and 2 over here, and click on OK. Now we have three visibility modes. I am linking this text with this visibility mode now. For this, you need to select the visibility mode, visibility states over here. It is make visible means it will be visible, and another would be non-visible, invisible. This would make the other two engineer names as invisible, like this. When I have selected this engineer name 1, similarly if you are selecting engineering name 1, then the engineering name and engineering name 2, this should be invisible. So I am selecting these two, then press enter. Similarly for another visible state, I need to turn off this 2 to make it invisible. Now all these three visibility mode has been set. Now I am putting all these text at one position, so that these names would appear at the same position for all these three changes. Now it is done. Now put it over the location where you want it, and keep this visibility drop down near about it, so that it would be accessible properly. Now save this block. Now come to layout page. Over here you can, after clicking on this block, we can see the visibility bottom over here. Whenever we are going to click this visibility bottom with visibility drop down, we would get all these three parameters or three engineer names over here. You can also change likewise. Hope you have liked this video. Subscribe to our channel if you are new. Thank you. Keep learning and keep exploring.